the signs and symptoms, what the patients feel is they feel a tremendous pain in the knee joint or whatever joint is affected. For example, hip and knees are commonly affected in the osteoarthritis, and also sometimes shoulder in cases of rheumatoid arthritis. So I would like to tell you about the knee pain. The patients will feel a severe pain in the knee, they will have grating sensation, they will have swelling, they cannot be able to walk for more than few steps, and they will be finding it difficult to walk on uneven surfaces. They will find difficulty climbing stairs up and down.